So we're over at my mom and dad's house helping with computers again, and Bo found this, which is from me bringing it over, and Caymus found a I'm gonna show you. It's one of those paw breakers, that catnip balls that are really rock hard. Fake noose. Okay, so I just threw this for Bo. Let's see if I can do it again. He was going crazy earlier, so I was hoping he would reenact that craziness. Get it, Bo! Get it! Caymuses! Bo, what if Caymus wants to play with that? What happened to the other one, Bo? Bo, gay. Gibo. He likes that other one because it's got catnip. It's funny, I was just thinking that you guys didn't even need to see where I was throwing it, because the cat's eyes showed you where it was. Look at that nosy. Caymus and Murphy, for those of you who might have recently subscribed to my channel, are my parents' cats. They're half brothers. They share the same father, and they're from Bluegrass Rags in Kentucky. They are 8 years old and will be 9 years old in August. And they're both seal-mitted. Murphy has Blaze, that white thing on his nose. And again, if you're a new subscriber, I'm completely obsessed with that cat. I mean, just look at him. How could you not be? We'll go in for a close-up. You always want to smell the screen. What's that? Or not the screen, the lens. Caymus doesn't really play that much. It's like a 2-second effort. Where is it? But Noose, did you get it? I'm gonna throw it for Bo. Get Bo. Gibo! And for those of you paying attention to the human in the video, that is a human lying down. That's how Bill sleeps. Okay, ready? I love that, like the plunge into underneath the ottoman and then the flop. Get it, Bo. Get it. Where is it? Get it. Get it, Bo. Where is it? Get it. Get it. Go get it. Get it. Noose. Look at the wonderfulness, Noose. Noose. Look at that Noose. Noose, what's this business over here? Lots of extra business over here. Noose, what's going on? What about this string on the camera? Is that something that interests you? I thought so. I always play with a string. Bo, where'd it go? Bo. Whoa, you got all sorts of things under this ottoman. Whoa! Whoa, look at all these things for the kitties! They're both, I turned that ottoman up and they're both really interested now. Whoa, I've never seen the underside of this ottoman. So cool. Gabo, you're gonna knock it over, man. This is the Bergen Star Chaser. Bo's pretty funny with it. Bo, did you know your toy was under there? And he's into it. Obviously, they're way more into the ottoman that's never been on its side. Gabo, Bo, what's this? So Bill has fallen asleep and he's snoring, and they're not used to it. So, okay, like, look at Murphy. He's a little bit concerned. Caymus just playing. I've never seen him play with that. That's cute. Nurse, what are you doing playing with that one? So that's the difference between the Bergen Turbo Scratcher compared to the Bergen Star Chaser, is that ball that lights up. They're both very concerned about Bill snoring. It's pretty funny because my dad snores, but it obviously is a different kind of snore. What's he doing? Is he snoring? Get a noose. 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 Get it. Get it. Get it. God, it's so funny.